Hi friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today I thought we would go through my Louis Vuitton handbags and rank them from practical to flex. So let's get into it. So starting off with bag number 1, it is going to be my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in Damier Ebene, and it is the bandoulière, which means it comes with a strap. And this is definitely very practical. So what makes the Speedy 30 practical in my opinion is for several reasons. First off, it is that the fact it comes with this treated leather, so I don't have to worry about getting water spots on it. I don't have to worry about the patina process. It also comes in this coated canvas, which I've had no issues with. Every time that it's gotten dirty, I could just wipe it off. It's always held up really well in my opinion from all of my other bags, so I've never had any issues with the canvas itself. And it holds a ton. I can fit everything that I need for the day in this bag, and I don't have to worry about carrying multiple items with me. I just have to worry about this one bag and I'm good to go. It also comes with a strap, which gives you the option to be very hands-free. So I also like that versatility aspect of it as well. So moving on to bag number 2, it is the Nano Speedy. And unfortunately, this bag, in my opinion, is just a pure flex. Hear me out. The reason why I think it is a pure flex is because I am very minimal when it comes to what I carry in my handbag. I carry my car keys with me, I carry a catch-all. I don't really stuff the kitchen sink into my bags, but with this bag, I have to downsize even more. I literally can't carry my key fob with me in the pouch that it comes with. I have to keep it separate. It just doesn't hold as much as I thought it would, as well as the opening of this bag is very tight. It is very difficult to get in and out of this bag, especially if you pack your bags to the brim. Searching for something in here is really difficult, so gotta be mindful of that. I often find myself when I'm at the checkout literally having to carry my bag up like this and look through it just to see what I'm looking for. Even though I don't stuff it to the max, when I have this bag, I literally just carry my wallet and key fob because I'm one of those people where if I'm pressured to check out and I need something in my bag, I don't want to feel rushed. So I'd rather just quickly go in and out and not be holding up the line. So in my opinion, I think the Nano Speedy is just a flex. Moving on to bag number 3, and it is the Palm Springs Mini. If you know me, you know what I'm choosing for this bag, and it is 100% practical in my opinion. This bag was my very first brand new Louis Vuitton handbag purchase, and I don't regret it whatsoever. This bag is super versatile. You can wear it in a multiple of ways. You can wear it top handle, you can wear it over the shoulder, you can wear it cross body. This bag is so versatile and it fits a ton. This thing is endless. One thing that I do have an issue with is the Nano Speedy, it is very difficult to find your things if you stuff it to the brim. However, the other pros of this bag just make it so worth it, and it is a very practical day-to-day bag. I've used this when I go out on day trips. I use this when I go shopping at the mall. It is so convenient to have this bag, and I absolutely love it. So moving on to bag number 4, it is going to be the Louis Vuitton paint can from the Fall/Winter 2022 collection. This one's gonna hurt my heart a little bit just because this is a pure flex in my opinion. This is not a practical handbag by any means necessary. It is realistically just a vanity piece. The practicality of this handbag is realistically non-existent. It does come with a shoulder strap. However, having something spherical just bouncing off of you like this is not the most pleasant experience. So I've never worn this as a crossbody. When I do wear it, it is as a top handle. Even in that respect, when you fill this bag, one thing that I didn't necessarily know when I purchased it is it likes to lean forward just a little bit. So depending on how you pack the bag, it will be leaning even as you're carrying it, as well as it just doesn't fit that much. It is a circular shape, so because it is cylindrical, the objects that you can fit in there is very limited. So again, I'm downsizing completely when I use this bag. And also, I just get worried when I use this bag because it is a runway piece and it was very limited, that I don't want to ruin it. So that's why, in my opinion, this is just a complete flex to have and is not necessary. Okay, and bag number 5. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 of this video. I have more handbags that I could definitely rank from practical to flex in my collection. But bag number 5 is going to be the Pochette Accessoires. Any guesses as to what I think this is? I think this is in between. Hear me out. It can be practical as well as, depending on the style that you get, it could also be a flex. For example, I think that the monogram Pochette Accessoire, completely practical. It allows you to carry the essentials. With the updated version, it gives you 2 different strap options. You can have a chain strap or you can have a leather strap, as well as it gives you the versatility of detaching the straps and using your longer straps from your other handbags, so that way you can wear it in a multitude of ways. However, the flex part of it is when you move into these newer collections. For example, the Takashi Murakami Cerise's collection is a pure flex in my opinion. I will never be using this handbag out in public. I would be too worried about it getting dirty. I would be too worried about the denim getting scratched. And overall, it's just the embroidery I would be worried about. It's just, this bag is a piece of art in my opinion, and it's just a flex to have. Like, it's not necessary in my opinion. Also, I don't think it's necessary to have 4 of them, but that is just my issue. But overall, the Pochette Accessoire is definitely very practical because it allows you to do a multitude of things with it. You can even use it as a catch-all in your bag if you don't want to have the straps on it. You can use it as a clutch. You can use it as a handbag. There's just so many different ways you can use this bag. So that's why it's definitely practical, but could also be a flex. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you want a part 2 or 3. I have a lot more handbags that I can do this with, and I thought this was actually a really fun idea. So if you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.